Welcome to Frank Bruno Law. I'm Frank Bruno. I'm an elder law and estate planning attorney in New York. Today I'd like to give you some insight into the adult guardianship process. Before I do that, if you have a question for me, if you'd like to speak with me, please go to callfrankbruno.com. We can schedule a telephone call, answer some of your questions, see if I can help you. And sometimes it's just a referral to a resource or a community group or another entity. Most frequently, the calls that I receive do not result in legal fees or charging anything. It's just helpful information. Now, I've mentioned in the past that an adult guardianship proceeding takes place in Supreme Court. And I'm among a list of attorneys with specialized training and by experience. I can handle several of the roles within the case, and depending on the case, I'll get appointed to one of a number of roles. Sometimes I'm the attorney for the person that's alleged to be incapacitated, and sometimes I'm a court evaluator. So the court evaluator is the eyes and ears of the court. I was recently appointed to represent, not to represent anyone. I was recently appointed to the role of court evaluator in a case. So I received the petition, I received information about the alleged incapacitated person, and I have to ultimately write a report. And then in this role, I also testify in court relative to the person and my report. So I get sworn in and I give my opinion and my observation of the facts, and it helps the court make a decision. So today I did a home visit, and I met with the person that was alleged to be incapacitated. So the insight that I'm going to give you today is not anything specific about this person or her responses, but what I did. So I met this person, I introduced myself, I had some small talk, and I did ask her some questions. I also looked around the home, went into each room, took a look at the bathroom to see if there's any safety apparatus, a bar, if it was easy to get in and out of the tub or the shower area. I looked in the refrigerator, I looked in the freezer, made sure there was food. I took a look at the basket of medicines, took a photograph of each medicine. Ultimately, when I write my report, I'm going to put the names of the medicines in, and what I do for my own benefit is I Google the medicines to see what they are for, why they're prescribed. I took down the name of the doctor. I interviewed this person alone, right? That's the alleged incapacitated person. I interviewed the caregiver, and in this case, I will also be interviewing the person that's the one seeking to be the guardian. So after I finish all of those interviews, I will put together a report, and I'll send it off to the attorney for the person seeking to be guardian, and I'll give a copy to the court, and ultimately I'll appear at the hearing on this matter. So if you would like to speak about this or any other issue, please give me a call, reach out to me, go to my website, frankbrunolaw.com. Thank you.